you got going on?
Buttoning her up, running hoses, just everything I can do right now. Waiting on some spark plug wires. And Carter's finishing up the wiring harness.
That was quick. Wiring harness.
Going pretty quick.
What's up, Vince?
What's happening?
Doing good. Doing a little sanding on a 69 Camaro hood.
Oh.
Somebody decided just to paint over a bunch of crap, and we don't do that here. So I've got some hours and some fingerlings.
A little more detail than what we thought, huh?
A little more detail than what we thought. That's right. Get it ready for some nice fat primer so we can wet sand it and give it a really nice coat of black.
Flat black.
Flat.
You look like you got a little suntan.
I did.
Where'd you
Down
get
there running to the sun, Myrtle Beach. The people was good to us, but the sun sure wasn't. I guess it decided we needed a little color. But today is actually hood day.
Yeah, you're working on the hood too. What's this for?
This is for a Challenger we're working on. Came in for some repairs, had some chips coming off. So we're gonna go in and clean that stuff up. Get her slicked back in again.
So it had some chips under the hood and he wanted that painted.
Yeah, I had some in some areas that the previous person that painted it probably didn't sand it very well and started popping off. Basically where the scoops bolted on, where the hinges bolted on. Apparently they didn't prep it too well, and you know, another thing too is don't want to over tighten those bolts.
Yes.
Might squeeze some stuff off of there.
Yes. Nate Dog,
What's up?
what are you doing?
Making a 69 Camaro console lid look a little better.
Oh,
Paint was popping off. Sanding it down, gonna repaint it.
The paint was popping off that too?
Yeah.
What is the problem?
Nobody likes to sand.
painting the
Pop off Mondays, right?
pop off Mondays.
Pop off Mondays.
Yeah, that black Camaro up there. Professor T, what you doing? What you fabricating over there?
A cover for the hood latch for the 36 Ford.
36 Ford. You have fun at Run to the Sun?
Man, I had a blast.
Everybody's tired today.
Took 2 days to catch up on sleep.
Everybody's a little quiet today. They ain't their normal selves.
I've been on.
Oh.
Well.
Well,
Where's all that?
so this 69 Camaro, we're doing some touch-ups on it. The owner, I believe, is going to take it to Charlotte here in about 2 weeks for auto fair for sale. So if you're in the market for a 69 Camaro RS, check it out. A little Pro Touring action. We're putting some billet hinges on it. Put some side mirrors on it. Eddie Motor, no, that's billet badges. It's a bad looking ride. And then we got the Oldsmobile and 54 Chevrolet truck. So guys, that's what's going on at Creative Rods today. Back from Run to the Sun, and everybody's tired. So we'll see you another day.